Split the cardboard in half. Take half and roll it into a cone. The length is about 18 centimeters. Glue fixation. Cut into a flat surface. Prepare the green twist stick. Fold it at 4 centimeters. Fold out 4 centimeters pointed tips at the back. Do the same operation to make about 50 pieces for later use. Apply a circle of glue 1.5 centimeters away from the root. Fixed blades. Leave about 2 centimeters below. Wrap a full circle. The second layer is glued at a distance of 1 centimeter to fix the blades. The same operation fixes the entire cone. When completed, push all blades out of the arc. Use glue to secure the silver glitter twist stick to the top of the tree. Circle around the tree. Connect another one and continue around to the end. Glue fixation. Fold the golden twist stick 5 centimeters. Fold it at 4 centimeters. Continue to fold out 4 centimeters. Fold the second tip of the root to the left. Fold back diagonally. Tail pull down. Tail twisted together. Adjust the shape. Tail wrapped around the filled star. Continue adding twist rods to fill the entire 5-pointed star. Glue and fix it on the top of the Christmas tree. 5-pointed star front and back fixed decorations. Prepare 2 twist sticks, one red and one black. Twist together. Neatly cut. Bend out a semicircular arc. Cut at 5 centimeters. Do the same operation again. The rest goes around in a circle. Cut to a length of about 8.5 centimeters. Glue the ends to fix. The bow is fixed at the top. Fix the finished decorations on the Christmas tree. Fix the plush balls and small pearls. Fix the stick with glue on the top of the wooden stick. Glue fixation. Continue gluing the top. Fixed at the center of the comb bottom. Glue the other end of the wooden stick to the wood chip. The gift box is glued to the wood. Christmas tree completed.